Very nice, very nice, very nice. Hey guys, it's Mike at NarxKart Customs. Today we're building the cold side on the turbo for the NarxKart. Gonna do that. Gonna put in the secondary fuel pump, putting in the scavenge pump, and I'm even gonna drop some clips at the end of the drag and drive, which was the test for the turbo setup. As we get ready to go to Cleetus and Cars, we'll have a ton more content coming on it. I've got a big list of stuff that we're gonna do to it. So let's get to work. Ooh, guys, I'm so excited. Look at this, look at this, look at that. Kapayao, it's gonna look so good. Steven had the great idea. We're just gonna build tabs here and bolt that right to it. Bingo, bango, in and out. I'm gonna take this metal here, build a little brackets for that. I'll pay someone to come clean this shop up, just telling you. Alright guys, just a reminder, the cart is being given away when the channel hits 1 million views. So watch this video, then watch another one. Help us get there. Come on guys, rules down in the description. All right guys, I got it figured out. So I had cut a piece of tubing, or I had bent up a piece of tubing for what I thought was gonna be part of the turbo setup, right? Well, if you guys just saw, basically what I'm gonna do is going to take this 90 that's in here, okay? So I'll flip it, run it this way, slide this into here, okay, like that. And then I'll take this piece, put it in here like so, chop it here, couple of those two. Instead of connecting those, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take this, we're gonna go kaplakow, like so, and then I can weld here, and here, and here, and it's all one piece. This whole side. So very nice, very nice, very nice. All right, so here's the deal. I have the fuel pump out finally. Hour and a half later. Here's the factory fuel pump. If you remember from the last video, we bought this for $4 at one of the deal places we go to all the time, right? 140 liter per hour pump on that one. We're gonna put it on the side here. All right guys, there it is. We got the connections here, the wiring, ground, and power running out. Fix and throw it back on, the little connector here, and we'll see how it works. Guys, we're gonna drain into the PCV system here. Crack that loose, pull it out. I'm gonna drill this bottom out. That way it's straight through. And then we'll put our scavenge pump hose right into that. Just like the other pin. Yep. Look at this. Woo! So nice. So, take that, throw it on, throw our hose on here, and we'll be close. The one benefit to having the cart is obviously you can grab power wires like this one. This obviously isn't big enough to power the scavenge pump. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it as a trigger for a relay. I'll bring you guys over here. And then we'll just run a larger power off of this right here that's triggered with the relay when that comes on. To power the scavenge pump, which is down there. A little while later, we have the wiring hooked up to the relay. This is a little relay we pulled out of some fuse box for some OEM piece. I like them because they're so small. So basically, you know, I would tape all of them together, make them part of these little bundle of wires here. So let's turn it on, see if it works. Don't know what happened. Wire has power now, all the time. Don't understand that, really don't. Did not have power a few minutes ago, but now it does. So we'll find a new trigger here in 2 seconds for you, a couple days for me. All right guys, here we go. We are going to start this for the first time. And hope to pray for no leaks. First start attempt. Ready? Yep. The wire I used is wrong. It's what I get. I don't know what that even does. So, all right, do it. right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Look, that's the list I got to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We drop new videos Tuesdays and Fridays.